welcome back to the shop. Now this video is a little more interesting. This is what I would call the Maker Geeks quality control, or the lack thereof. Alright, Crystal Series PLA translucent blue. Crystal Series PLA translucent blue. Alright. Even with the video colorants, you can kind of see it right here. This one's almost a solid blue. This one has a clear, and it's a much lighter blue. This is pretty damning to their quality control also. This one stayed consistent color all the way through the print. This one stayed consistent color all the way through the print. This one is actually more of a translucent. This one is more of a solid blue. But they're both called Crystal Series PLA translucent blue. Another reason to not want to order from Maker Geeks anymore. On top of the lack of shipment issues, which we'll get to in a very soon, very detailed video. Thanks for watching.